ang lahat sa buhay ko. Bagong ligaya ang nadarama, bagong pag-asa ang nakikita.
Lahat ay aking ibibigay. Ibibigay pati aking buhay upang puriin siya.
Nagumapaw ang aking saya, pagmamahal niya ang nadarama. Kay ganda ng buhay na nasa kanya, purihin ang Diyos, purihin siya.
Lahat ay aking ibibigay. Ibibigay pati aking buhay upang puriin siya. Lahat ay aking ibibigay. Ibibigay pati aking buhay upang puriin siya. Upang puriin siya. Upang puriin siya.
Once
again,
let's
Have your birthday.
once again, it's gonna come. With the loving gift from Jesus, He has given you one more year. Happy on your birthday. Happy time, with the loving gift from Jesus, He has given you one more year. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
this day of the year, may you feel Jesus near.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And many more years to come. Many years to come. Happy birthday! Na-surprise! Surprise! O kami na surprise! Happy birthday!
Anak ko gilingan, kay?
Na-surprise o na kami na surprise?
Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Kadlaw na ila.
Happy birthday!
Kadlaw na sa ila ta. Happy birthday ta. Tulog unsa oras diha? Ah, si tulog na ta. Happy birthday.
Birthday ta, birthday. Oh, blue na, blue.
Happy birthday, ta!
Happy birthday na ta.
Happy birthday!
Asa man ang kuantin?